Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money internationally with Revolut. So if you want to send money intentionally with Revolut, here's a simple account for that, but make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake. So let's quickly get started. So the first thing to do is to open the Revolut app on your phone and make sure you log in into your account. Then tap the transfer or the payment tab at the bottom of the screen. Then tap send or the new plus button. Then choose to send bank transfer. Then from there you have to add a new recipient. So select the recipient country from the list, then enter the recipient bank details such as the full name, the IBAN and the account number. You can also add the non-European bank, which is the Swift BIC code, the bank name and the address if required. Then choose the currency you want to send. Then Revolut will show you the available option and the exchange rate. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and tap continue, and reveal the exchange rate carefully, the fee and the estimate arrival time. Then tap send to confirm and complete the international transfer. And also you will receive a confirmation notification once the transfer is processed. And here's a quick tip: Revolut often offer a free transfer international transfer for certain currency and account depending on your plan. Standard Plus or Premium or Medal depends on Revolut. And that's it. I hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.